Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you find connected apps on your X app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do is you just go up, you click here on this photo here in app, then it's going to show for you list like this, and all you have to do now, so just go down here, so you click here on settings in support here, then you click here on settings in privacy here, then it's going to take you in this list, and you just click here on security and account accesses here. So then you click here on apps and seasons here, then it's going to take here in this list, so just switching to open video. So then you click here on connected apps, then it's going to take you to next step here, so just switching to open video. So and it's going to take you here in this list here, you will find all connected apps. So I have no connected apps, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.